popcorn recipe. Boneless chicken big cubes of 500 grams. 1 tablespoon of sweet curd. Add 1 egg. Ginger and garlic paste of 1 tsp each, petal powder 1/2 tsp, red chili and Kashmiri chili powder. Baking powder 1/2 tsp, turmeric powder, garam masala powder and cumin powder 1/2 tsp. Soy sauce and white vinegar 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. After mixing well, cover with wrapping paper. Now cover it with breadcrumbs and keep it in the normal fridge for 1/2 hour. Take it out of the fridge and fry it in oil and serve it with sauce. Now it's ready to eat. Yummy!